Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Dodge Ram key fob. We'll walk through the simple steps to get your new or replacement key fob working with your truck. This process can save you both time and money, as you can often complete it right at home without a trip to the dealership. Let's get started and restore the convenience of your keyless entry system. Before we begin programming, a few preparations are essential. First, gather all key fobs you intend to program, including any existing working ones. Next, make sure your Ram truck's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. Finally, ensure you are seated in the driver's seat with all vehicle doors securely closed. These steps help ensure a smooth and successful programming experience. Now, let's dive into the programming steps. First, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the RUN position without starting the engine. Next, simultaneously press and hold both the unlock and panic buttons on your key fob, then release them together. Immediately after, press and hold the unlock and lock buttons simultaneously, then release both. Finally, press the unlock button one last time. You should hear a chime or the doors lock and unlock, indicating success. After completing the steps, it's crucial to test your newly programmed key fob. Exit the vehicle and try locking and unlocking the doors to confirm it works correctly. If the fob doesn't respond, first check its battery and then carefully repeat the programming sequence. For some newer Ram models, or if you've lost all your keys, specialized diagnostic tools from a locksmith or dealership might be necessary for programming.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.